keep this one. Investment property. If I had to, you know, if I had a little more privacy, I would make it an Airbnb, but it's probably not enough, you know, space for people coming and going for all of that. But you always got to be thinking about what you want to do. You know, in my car, I listen to, what's it, it's called Jim Rohn Smoothie Remix. He has a story when he tells a story about the Girl Scout story. Girl Scout comes to the door, knock, knock, knock. Girl Scout, Girl Scouts. He answers the door. She says, Girl Scout, cookies only $2. And Jim says, oh, we already got some. And the girl leaves, but Jim says, it's a true story, Jim Rohn's story. I didn't have the $2 in my pocket. And that's the day he decided to change his life and turn his life around. It's a great story. Great story. It's a personal development specialist. He's not here anymore, but he was a blessing to a lot of people. Jim Rohn. What is this? It's like a card. I don't know if I use that. Some stickers. Nope, we got all these things over here. I think I'm going to use some butterfly stickers on this outside. This is a Lamborghini Urus, around $250,000. Beautiful. Beautiful. I want this exact color too, yellow. I drive a Porsche Cayenne now. I always wanted to get a Porsche. First it was a Porsche Panamera, but because like I mentioned, I'm always buying a lot of stuff for online business and stores, and I needed to get an SUV. That's why I decided to get the Porsche Cayenne. That's a great car. I love it. Coco, wake up. Can't be that child. I know we ran some errands today, but goodness. Wake up. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that looks real. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm in this car. Let me close my eyes. Hold on. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm happy and so grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis. God, that looks real. Dang, looks like a real life car. And I took a picture of this. I think about it in my phone or printed it out. But this thing looks super real. Oh my gosh. Oh, I meant to tell you guys, the other day I was driving and everywhere I went I saw 30-day tax, 30-day tax, 30-day tax. I said, oh my gosh, I'm about to get that Lamborghini. And guess what? Guess what? I was on the way to mail an order for a client, and guess what? 30-day tag, Lamborghini, passed me, brand new, 2021. I couldn't believe it. 30-day tag, Lamborghini passed me just like a couple days ago. I said, it's a sign, it's a sign. Bam. We put it up there. Where should we put it? Right here? Yeah, let's put it right there. Oh my gosh. When I saw the Lamborghini pass me, I said, oh my gosh, it's coming true. The Lamborghini's coming. The Lamborghini's coming. That thing was brand new. 30-day tags. You don't see us, you know, well, not in a real big city. You don't see those kind of cars, you know, all the time. I couldn't believe it. 30-day tags. I said, I'm in a Porsche. But, yeah, well, you know, he couldn't hear me. Seen a lot of 30-day tags. I mean, I'm gonna get a new car. All right. Ooh, stay back there. I need you to Work with me. Like that. Oh my gosh. That looks real. One more piece of tape. Ooh, the vision board is coming together. It's coming together. A lot of people don't dream big enough. They want to stay small, think small, you know, because their parents told them, don't stand out, don't, you know, try to blend in with the crowd. I'm not trying to blend in. I'm trying to be fabulous. That's my goal. I'm not trying to blend in. That's not what I'm trying to do. Tape doesn't work. People don't dream big. Oh, I can't afford that. I can't do this. You don't know what you can do. Keep saying it until it happens. And if you're with somebody that doesn't support your dreams, they gotta go, male or female. You know what the situation is. But you need to be treated with respect. If you're not treated with respect, you need to get out of that situation. You don't need living your life in that kind of environment. It's all about treating you right, you know. Male or female. Oh, that looks so real. Ooh. Okay, these things are thick. I like to do stuff in real time so people can see it's real. Oh, I created a vision board after the fact. Man, show me how you did it. You know, in these other videos. This is live. I'm seeing live. All from the dollar store. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Oops. Things look real. All right, Coke. Oops. Fell off. Hold on. Oh, it's a small. Oh, it's a small. Oh, a small little sticky on the back. See? And it even like moves. Oh my gosh. It has the wings that you can play with. That's deep. This thing is deep. Okay, let's start with this one first. We're going to call this one Fabulous. Couple nails broke off. Look at this one. Line some money into the household. Oh, this is so nice. And see, you can put the wings up like that. Oh, that's cute. I'll try to move the camera closer later and take a separate shot. Okay, that's cute. Okay, we need one for the other side. Should we go with you? Okay, we need one down here. Okay, so that's the first. 3D vision board. I'm so happy and so grateful. Now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis. Oops. That's pretty. See, it comes flat, but you can kind of buff out the wings. Kind of see it from here. Oh. We want to go to Chanel. I had a Chanel cup when I was a businesswoman, you know, turn these items into cash. I had one, but I sold it on eBay. This bag right here is like $5,000. It's ridiculous. This is like $1,400. We need to have a Chanel bag. We're stepping out of that Lamborghini yours. Or we can have Birkin inspired. I got a couple of those. That's gonna be my $1 million dupes video coming up. The old things look just like the real Birkin. That's why I named my channel $1 million Dupes. Shop with me because I find the best $1 million pieces for a fraction of the price. Some things, you know, are luxury items. We go shopping with them. Inspired, excuse me, Birkin bags, Hermes bags, Hermes scarf. I even have the little pony that goes on the pocketbook. That's all inspired. It's coming in another video soon. Look for that. I mean, it's very reasonable. It looks like $1 million. I have a Tiffany blue inspired Birkin bag that I've been carrying as my last almost 2 years. The reason I say inspired because it didn't have the name of the company on it anywhere. It's just the look of the company. That's why I don't use replicas. If you see Chanel on the neck, like you see now, it's Chanel. Okay. If it's a replica, I wouldn't, I wouldn't be wearing something that was, like that. And all of my $1 million dupes only inspired items. They don't have like the logo on them, so they're great to keep in line with, with the right way to do things. Cartier ring is I don't know where to get that from, but I meant to say Cartier love bracelet. That's up. Another video. Fabulous, dude. You ready for this? Chanel. Oh my gosh, that's a good printer that I have. Is this a real handbag? Let me see if I can go shopping. Do I have unlimited credit card? I need the black card. Okay, give me the black card. Because I need to go more Chanel shopping. I just stay on top now. I don't want to mess. Oh, that looks good up there. What do you think? Chanel. Okay. And Louis Vuitton. They have so many nice handbags. Oh my gosh. No, I mean, I want nice things. I wasn't born in this world just to be plain Jane, okay? Some people try to be, so just, don't want to stand out, don't want to bring attention to themselves. It's ridiculous. I'm here to be fabulous. All right. Maybe next time we get some dot things I can stick on the back of the pictures. Like the butterflies have. All right. Ooh, this thing is coming together. No, I ate dinner, but I sure am getting hungry again. Oh my gosh. Why is it sticking up at the bottom? I'll put a little tape on it. I like how that looks. Alright, we gotta try to get it to stay down some kind of way. And I do have long nails too, that's makes doing this a lot harder. That's some of the trouble. I'm gonna cut my nails down really short though, a couple days. So they're pretty long. Fabulous. Yeah, there. Okay. No, 2 minutes right there. You guys want to do another butterfly? Let's see. Let's stick it up there. Why not? That's the green one. Yeah, it's pretty. You can see it. This was a good find at the dollar store. Make a wish. Flap your wings 3 times. Okay, I'm not going to put this up. I'm just going to put this aside. Let's see if I'll come. Just going to hold on to that. You know, when something falls, I hate to bend down and pick it up because his hair is so long and it's, you know, you move a minute and everything place. There I'm sad. Don't think I'm gonna put that up there because it holds. I got more stuff down here. Oh my God. Look at this. Explore the world, travel, adventure. These are some kind of stickers too. This is the Restoration Harbor Rococo crystal chandelier I was telling you about. I have a dupe one from Home Depot. It looks very much like it. I mean, it's fabulous. I was going to put that up there because I like crystals. I think I'm going to cut that out and put it up there somewhere. So happy and so grateful. Now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis. So happy and so grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis. So happy and so grateful now. Now meet and marry my soulmate. We marriage like a match made in heaven. Ooh, look at this. Coco, wake up. You should order some DoorDash for this party. Shoot. Some Maggiano's. That's Italian food. I always get the eggplant parmesan. Maggiano's chopped salad, extra avocados, blue cheese, dressing. No bacon. That food is so tasty.